Hello and welcome back everyone. It is your girl Olivia, and in today's video I will be showing you guys a VShow hair unit. This is the packaging. I thought it was really cute. My dumb self tried to open it and I ripped this out of the box, so I didn't show me opening this package, but it came with a brochure as well as a wig cap, some lashes, and of course the wig. It is a loose, deep texture. This is a glueless closure unit. It's already pre-plucked and they said the knots were already bleached and customized. So this is a ready-to-wear glueless unit. It is 24 inches. And as you can see, really thin lace. The curl pattern is really cute, but of course I don't want to wear it like that curl pattern like directly out of the box. So I do recommend running your fingers through it. And I'm just showing you guys here that it does not have the combs on the inside, which I love, because a lot of times when I get the wigs with the 3 combs in the top and then 1 in the back, they can snag your hair or like be uncomfortable. So I really love the fact that this wig only has the band and you can adjust that as well. And it is made on a dome cap. You can tell this is machine made, which is nice. Stitches are pretty close together, which I like. It's breathable, it's comfortable. It is glueless again, and you can literally pop this on. I put this unit on and I took pictures and posted it on Instagram, and everybody was like, I love your sewing. I love your sewing. My clients were like, I really love your hair, your makeup. I got compliments all day on this unit. And as you can see from this video, it's literally only going to take me a couple minutes to put this on. You literally don't have to do anything to it. The only thing that I did was run my fingers through, cut the lace, and put on a little bit of foundation because I did my makeup. And that just helps to blend it because the lace is a little bit lighter than my skin tone. But other than that, guys, like, look at this. Look at this. This is fresh out of the package. Again, only ran my fingers through. I didn't bleach the knots. I'm just going to show you guys how this looks true, fresh out of the box. So I went off camera, did my makeup, threw the lashes on, and then I went ahead and put on a wig cap. My hair is in a ponytail underneath because I actually pressed it out. And then all I'm doing is adding some foundation to this lace, just so that way it can match my skin color. And you can see now that it has a brown tint. You guys know that I have a really small peanut head, so I'm just going in and adjusting this strap to my liking to where I think that it'll fit comfortably but not too tight. And then all I'm going to do is just put this strap on the very nape of my neck, like the back of my hair, and then I'm just going to apply the unit. Again, very simple. This took less than 10 seconds to put on. And all I'm going to do here is just shift it to my liking. This again is without the lace even cut, and it still looks pretty natural. I have 3 lights on in my suite as well as in my studio lights, and they are on the brightest setting. So this is like under studio lighting, but you guys can already tell that it's like super blended. All I need to do is go in and adjust it and then cut the lace. So here I am just trying to figure out where I want to wear this. I'm running my fingers through, just trying to make the curls look a little bit more lived in. I like messy curly hair, kind of big curly hair. I don't like it when it's too perfect. I want it to look as natural as possible, giving like a boho vibe. So that's what I was going for. I also love the fact that this unit has no baby hair on it. I'm just not a big fan of like overly done baby hair. I'm just over it, to be completely honest. I am team no glue, no baby hair. I just love a very effortless unit that you can get up and put on. This is ideal for like if you're a mom, if you have a work meeting and you are sitting at home, you know, working from home, and your boss says, let's get on camera, guys. You can pop this unit on and be ready to go, okay? So we love a quick unit. So here you just see me. I'm just cutting the lace, and I'm being very careful because I'm looking in my viewfinder. And I'm just going to cut any excess lace off of the unit and just keep cutting until I don't see any like extra lace that doesn't have hair on it. And then I am just going to go in and just blend it a little bit more. But again, I did not have to pluck this at all. Here I'm just adjusting the unit. I'm like, okay, I kind of want like an off-center part. So that's what I went for. And now I'm just taking my rat tail comb. It's more like a fine tooth comb. The teeth are really close together. And I'm just combing through the hair, getting any of those baby hairs out or like flyaway hairs from when I cut the lace. And just also giving it a more like a natural look. It's giving like, okay, naturally curly. Like this can be believable like it's mine. I feel like sometimes when the curls are too perfect, then it looks like more wiggy. And we want to go for super natural. So this is me with the unit on. Again, I didn't have to do too much. This is how the lace looks up close. Again, I have on the studio lighting, so that way you can see how it looks like under photo lights and everything. But honestly, nobody's going to be that super close to my lace, and it still looks good. It looks believable. And I was really feeling this unit. I did not think I was going to like this unit as much as I did. But honestly, I wore this unit so many times. So what I did here, I just went ahead and just pressed out the top of my hair with the back of the hot comb. And I was just showing you guys a little bit of behind the scenes of how I was flexing. I just took off my shirt and just wore my tank top underneath. And I was just feeling myself. So I went back in and I just pressed the top of this with the back of the hot comb. I didn't really want to make it super flat. I just wanted to get a couple of those flyaways to lay down. I didn't have to add any product. Again, this unit is literally ready to wear. If you want to make it look a little bit more realistic, you can also add some makeup to the part. But I didn't want to do that just because my real hair was out underneath, under the wig cap, and I didn't want to have makeup in my hair because I just did it. So you guys always know when I wear glueless units, I like to do the shake test and make sure like when I'm shaking my hair back and forth or the wind's blowing, my unit is not going to fall off. And this was the perfect band, guys. Like the unit stayed on. I actually went to the park with my kids. The wind was blowing so hard and it stayed on. And I was very happy about that. I didn't have to worry about anybody seeing my lace, and that was good to go. So I'll be sure to tag VShow Hair below and all of the discount codes that they sent me. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye.